Hi guys, learn spoken English. In this video, we will learn 25 daily use sentences to improve your spoken English. The more you practice with these sentences, the more fluent you will be. So without any further ado, let's start practice with these sentences. आपको टोकने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I am sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you. या तो तुम वहाँ जाओ या मैं जाऊँ. Will you go there or shall I? Will you go there or shall I? मैं शहर कैसे जा सकता हूँ? How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? मुझ पर एक एहसान कर दो. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूँ. I like you. I like you. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? आवाज़ बढ़ा दो. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? आप किस में सफल हुए हैं? What have you succeeded in? What have you succeeded in? तुम्हारा नाम सूची में है. Your name is on the list. Your name is on the list. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. बहुत अच्छा दिन है. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. आपकी बहुत मेहरबानी है. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. तुम बहुत तेज़ गाड़ी चला रहे हो. You're driving too fast. You're driving too fast. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं बाहर जा सकता हूँ? May I go out please? May I go out please? क्या तुम मुझे एक पेन दे सकते हो? Could you give me a pen please? Could you give me a pen please? मैंने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया है. I haven't done my homework. I haven't done my homework. देर से आने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. तुम उससे निपट नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. मेरे पास बात करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. कृपया घर साफ कर दो. Please clean the house. Please clean the house. जितनी जल्दी हो सके आओ. Come as soon as possible. Come as soon as possible. दूसरों को चोट मत पहुंचाओ. Don't hurt others. Don't hurt others. कृपया मेरी बात सुनो. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. So friends, ये थे 25 daily use sentences. Let's practice with this sentence and improve your spoken English. I will see you in next video with more sentences. Till then, take care of yourself and keep learning.